If Wall Street experts are so smart, why do they own the yachts and the customers don't? Today, we're breaking down one of the most honest and eye-opening investing books ever written. Where Are the Customers Yachts? This book uses humor to reveal serious truths about the investing world. This book explains a simple but powerful idea. The financial industry often makes money, whether investors win or lose. It's not a technical investing guide. It's a smart, funny critique of the system. And even though it was written decades ago, the lessons are still relevant today. Key lessons from the book. 1. The truth about Wall Street. Wall Street is full of big promises and big predictions, but long-term, consistent success in the market is rare. Most people talk about winners. Very few talk about losses. 2. Brokers always get paid. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If you make money, the broker earns commission. If you lose money, the broker still earns commission. That means too much trading often benefits brokers more than investors. 3. Market predictions are often wrong. Experts constantly predict market crashes, market booms, economic shifts, but most predictions fail. The future is uncertain, and no one truly knows what will happen. 4. Human psychology drives the market. The biggest problem in investing isn't the market, it's human emotion. When markets fall, people panic. When markets rise, people become greedy. Fear and greed destroy smart decisions. 5. Simplicity wins. The book suggests something powerful. Avoid unnecessary trading. Think long-term. Stay disciplined. Control your emotions. Simple strategies often outperform complex ones. Why this book is special. Written in a funny, sarcastic tone, easy to understand, exposes financial industry myths, and still relevant in modern investing. This book doesn't teach you how to beat the market. It teaches you how not to be fooled by it. To win in investing, you don't need to outsmart the market. You need to control yourself. If you want to become a smarter investor, start by understanding how the game really works. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video, share it with someone who invests, and subscribe to Deep Reads Daily, because here we don't just summarize books, we extract life-changing lessons from them.